Hi, thanks for checking in today. We're glad you're here. I want to spend a couple minutes today discussing 5S and what it is. There's a lot of information published out there today about 5S. But what I want to do today is just let's break it down to its basic. Let's keep it in its simplest format. In short, 5S is a systematic approach to workplace organization and standardization. Its origins are based in Japanese manufacturing techniques as a building block in a house of lean. But let's not get carried away with all that today. Let's focus specifically on the 5S basics. In the 5S methodology, the 5 S's stand for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Pretty basic stuff. This methodology aims to create an organized, efficient, and visually controlled workspace, with each S representing a distinct step in the process. The first S, sort, involves separating the necessary items from the unnecessary ones. Unneeded tools, unneeded equipment, materials, inventory, they're all removed from the workspace, leaving only the essential items in the workspace. This initial decluttering not only creates a more organized environment, but also simplifies processes by reducing the number of distractions and potential sources of errors. The second S is set in order. After sorting, we're going to set things in order. This step involves organizing all the remaining items in a logical and efficient manner. Tools and equipment are arranged in a way that minimizes waste, searching for items. The goal is to enhance accessibility and ease of use, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. We want to employ the 30-second rule here. If we can't find what we need and get it into our workspace within a 30-second period, we probably want to rethink this to set in order. We really want to take a hard look at organization of having things that we need the most closest to us. The third S is shine. This focuses on the cleanliness and the regular maintenance of the workspace. Workspaces and equipment are thoroughly cleaned and maintained to prevent deterioration and to ensure optimal functionality. Regular cleaning not only contributes to a safer and healthier work environment, but it also aids in the early identification of potential issues, reducing the risk of equipment failures and defects. By having this shine step, things are very clean. We've already organized by setting in order. So any anomaly in the workspace becomes very readily available. Things that show up that shouldn't be there, things that are machines that are dripping, all become very readily apparent at a very quick glance after through this process. The fourth S is standardize. Standardize emphasizes the need to establish and maintain standard work practices. Consistency is crucial in these lean methodologies, and this step involves documenting the best practices that we've developed through the earlier stages. The standardization ensures that the improvements are sustained over time and replicated throughout the organization, promoting stability and predictability. This is also a key step when we're onboarding new employees. The more of a standardized environment we can offer, the easier it's going to be to transition new employees into the work area and the workspace and have them become effective and efficient quicker by having these standardized practices. The fifth S is sustain. This is all about maintaining the established practices and continually improving them. This step involves developing a culture of discipline and commitment to the 5S principles. Regular audits and ongoing training help ensure that the organization remains focused on sustaining the gains achieved through the 5S methodology. In principle, this should be one of the simplest steps, but in reality, it's probably one of the most difficult steps. You put in a lot of hard work getting to this point, but sustaining the gains is a challenge. So implementing a good sustainment mechanism, such as weekly or monthly audit sheets, is a very good step to help us maintain the sustainment part of the process. In conclusion, the 5S methodology, it's a powerful tool for any organization seeking to create a more organized, efficient, and sustainable workplace. By systematically implementing the 5S, Businesses can experience tangible benefits, including improved efficiencies, enhanced safety, higher quality outputs, and increased employee morales. Remember, the 5S methodology is not just a one-time process. It establishes a foundation for continuous improvement and long-term success. And remember, 5S is not something we should be doing on top of our jobs. 5S should be embedded in our DNA. 5S should be included in how we do our day-to-day jobs. It's not something we should be doing on top of our jobs. And this 5S process, it's not just for production processes. It can yield very similar positive results in any area, including office areas. 5S are simple steps, but they can truly transform your business. Thanks for listening today. Hope this provided a little insight. Until next time, be safe, be productive. Thanks.